Hello and welcome back. Today we will unpack a microphone. You can get this in Amazon, but also I will show you an alternative. Let's take a look, shall we? First we see the features. I can see one that is for precising cardium patterns. What is this? Cardium pattern is just the ability that the mic have to receiving all the signal from the front and rejecting from the sides and from the rear. Interesting fact. Actually, do you know that the word cardioms coming from the Greek word for heart, and is because the shape of the pattern. See that it looks like a heart? You turn it around. Also, we got denoise function. It's used algorithms to analogize and remove background noise. We got echo function. We got multifunction RGB lights. Well, we all know what that is. It's the LED lights, red, green, blue, that you can see that it coming with pop filter. That means this little filter in front of the mic. Well, I'm not going to give you all the technical meaning of this, but that little filter, it just reduce the harsh popping sound. What it means is when you speak, the mic, the air blasting for when you speak, it creates distortion. Our last feature, plug and play. I think we all know what that means. Plug and play, just automatic detecting and configure the hardware for the thing that you want to use. Well, that's enough to chatting. Let's go into it. That's a nice box. A phone box. So let's push it. Instruction manual. USB cord. Oh, okay. This is just an adapter. Very interesting that they including this on this. This is an adapter for a C USB port to a regular USB port. Okay, that is that little filter. And I believe this is the stand. And the mic inside. Yeah, this is the C USB port. And also have with the headphone connector right there. That's very interesting. I kind of like that because you can use the mic as a regular mic, but sometimes when you're playing games, you want to use your headphone. I like that they put that in there. Of course, this is the echo thing. Okay, that's the warranty. The presentation and the packing is pretty good. Now that we have everything unpacked, let's assemble it. One suggestion I'm going to say, even if you know how everything goes, always just look at the pictures. It shows you exactly where is it go. So let's put it right there. Now the stand. All right, this in some mics, this is just push it in, and other ones they are screwed in, so you can see the threads. So this is screwed in, and voila, it's done. Now the next part is just testing. Let's get the RGB cord. What I normally do, I try to straight the cable, but it will make it so much easier later on when you organize all the cables in the back of your computer or your desk. Just plug it in. The last thing that I want to say that I tell all my friends, and is every time that you buy, receive anything, it will be coming with a box. And the box always have pictures and show what it is. What I normally do, and I recommend, is just open the box. Most of the time you get a huge box that show a computer case, a TV. So what normally I do, and I recommend, you open the box and turn it inside out. Meaning, like, if you put outside in the court, the thief, they don't know what you have. I buy a computer case and you put in the court, it's just advertising of what you have. In my opinion, I think it is a good mic. You can get this in Amazon. In the description, I show it. Also, I can give you an alternative of another place when you can get it, but I really recommend it. Like I mentioned, the only issue that I have, and this is just myself, is the LED lights. It's kind of distracting when you're using the screen. Other than that, everything is fine. You can hear really good, it looks good, it's not that bulky, not heavy, so I actually recommend it. As you can hear, I just using the microphone. Right now, I just testing with OBS. That is one thing I want to show you, trick that you can do that I use it all the time. Just go to ChatGPT, because right now I can explain you any kind of issues that you have with the microphone. The microphone, I cannot hear this, I cannot hear that, I cannot display this. So you can go to ChatGPT, ask it actually guide you step by steps how to fix it, if you want to go that way. I understand the dilemma about using AIs, but AI is just a tool and you can use it. Let me mention something that is important, at least for me. This packet coming with the manual, but also with the warranty, is 36 months of warranty. The instruction and registry, the mic, and you got 36 months of warranty. If you scan this barcode, it gives you a digital manual, so you can store it on your phone or your computer, and you don't have to keep this paper manual, little information. Sometimes you can run with problems or issues. The manufacturer actually gives you a lot of stuff in here. Do not start yourself by using that little manual. I'm passing to the end of this video. This is our Mascot, and I think she approved it. So if she approved it, I am okay with it. For now, thank you for watching, and until the next time, bye.